Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. In the last video that I made, it was about entering transactions into T accounts. So that's what basic double entry is all about. So in the basic double entry, you need to put transactions either on the debit side of one account or the credit side of another account. In the next part of it, so when you're done with putting transactions into T accounts, what you have to do is that you need to calculate balances for every T account. So for calculating balances, there's this thing students do get very confused in this, but it's very simple. So what you do is that you simply have to total the heavy side of the T account. So either debit or credit, whichever is heavy, you total the heavy side, and you need to subtract the total of the light side. So total of light side needs to be subtracted from the total of heavy side. So what you guys should know this as information as well, that when you have asset T accounts, so assets are normally heavier on the debit side because assets increase on the debit side, decrease on the credit side. So assets are normally heavier on the debit side and they are heavier on the debit side. So liabilities are heavier on the credit side. Capital is heavy on the credit side. So in case of bank, you can have both, because of course bank can be an overdraft, bank can be a positive balance in the bank account as well, and bank can be a negative balance in the bank account as well. So in bank's case, bank can be a liability, bank can be an asset, they are both possibilities. So what you do is over here, that if you look at what I'm doing here, basically ये मेरा वही document है. This is the same document I used for entering transactions into T accounts. What I'm doing here is that now I have put the totals on the top of the T account. So if you can see this, the total of the debit side of the bank account is 20,200, and the total of the credit side of the bank account is 6294. So when you subtract both of these, so 20,200 minus 6294, you get a balance carried down. So what you do is that balance carried down is always on the last date. So students need to understand is that balance carried down जो होता है ना, उसको you need to consider it as something that is inserted into the T account so that both the sides are equal then. So अगर हम यहाँ पे balance carried down डालते हैं तो 13906 is the balance carried down for the bank account. Balance carried down calculate करने का basically ये तरीका है, total of heavy side minus total of light side. So basically मैं balance carried down इसलिए डाल रही हूँ ताकि मेरी दोनों sides equal हो जाएं. तो जब बैलेंस कैरी डाउन डाल देंगे उसके बाद तो ये दोनों साइड्स 20,200 हो जाएंगी. ओके, नाउ द थिंग इज दिस बैलेंस कैरी डाउन फॉर द नेक्स्ट, सो 1 अगस्त के दिन ये हमारा बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन बन जाएगा एंड दिस विल बी 13,906. सो पॉइंट टू नोट हियर इज दैट जो बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन होता है ना, वो हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एंड बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन इज समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू that is something that you need to give importance to. So basically balance brought down, agar bank ka it's coming on the debit side, it means the bank has a positive balance. Balance brought down on the debit side means that you still have 13,906 after doing the transactions of July. You have 13,906 in your T account after 1 month. So that's like what the balance brought down means. So balance brought down is of importance. Balance carried down is a missing figure that you insert in the T account so that both sides balance. Okay, so for cash I'll do the same thing. Cash can never be negative, so you'll always have a balance carried down on the credit side and balance brought down on the debit side. So you write here balance carried down on the credit side and the cash balance carried down. तो मैंने किस तरह निकाला कैश का बैलेंस carried down, वही प्रोसेस रिपीट होगा. 9520 माइनस 955, फिर इसका बैलेंस जो है वो 9520 हो जाएगा दोनों साइड पे टोटल, एंड देन योर basically balance carried down will become your balance brought down. So you write here balance brought down and you write 8565 on August 1st. ओके, इफ़ यू सी द नेक्स्ट अकाउंट, कैपिटल अकाउंट के अंदर हमारा क्रेडिट साइड ही हैवी है, डेबिट साइड पे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो आपने डेबिट साइड पे यहाँ पे बैलेंस कैरी डाउन लिखा. सो डेबिट साइड बेसिकली द लाइट साइड इज 0, तो ये बैलेंस कैरी डाउन विल बी एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द क्रेडिट साइड टोटल इज. दिस विल बी 22,500. यू राइट हियर July 31 as your date, and you'll total this. 22,500 will be your both sides, 22,500, and then carried down will become balance brought down. So you write here balance brought down, and you write here 22,500. So August 1. So at August 1, your capital amounted to 22,500. Similarly, if you look at loan from R Hughes, इसके account में भी इसी तरह होगा. So I'll just use short forms now. Carried down will be, वैसे आपको एग्जाम में बैलेंस पूरा लिखना चाहिए, BALANCE. Ideally, because in my training, when I attended my training, my trainer said that was a gamers training, and my trainer said that students are supposed to write BALANCE. अनलेस अगर उनके पास टाइम नहीं है तो फिर कोई बात नहीं, एंड एग्जाम बिल्कुल एंड होने वाला है, एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट द वैल्यू. सो यू कैन यूज शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स इन दैट केस, बट नॉर्मली डोंट यूज शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. सो यू आर July 31 here, and this will be 5,000, and then your brought down will be 5,000 again. This will be August 1. ओके, सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट अकाउंट अगेन 6570 परचेज अकाउंट का टोटल है. यहाँ पे कैरिड डाउन आ गया आपका 6570, ये हो गया July 31, और यही आपका जो ब्रॉड डाउन बन जाएगा 6570 टोटल हो जाएगा अकाउंट का. दिस मीन्स कि परचेजेस टोटल हमने जुलाई में परचेजेस किए हैं 6570. सो दिस विल बी August 1. अगेन बी ब्राउन का जो है वो बैलेंस नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दोनों साइड का बैलेंस सेम हो गया है. सो वट एवर वी हैड परचेज फ्रॉम बी ब्राउन, वी रिटर्न सम अमाउंट एंड देन वी पेड द होल थिंग. सो वट एवर वॉज ओइंग वॉज पेड. सो नाउ दिस अकाउंट इज बैलेंस्ड, एंड इसके अंदर कोई भी बैलेंस बचा हुआ नहीं है. So we don't need to write balance carried down brought down for B Brown. For IGCSE again I will calculate the carried down. So 4162 minus 130 will give me 4032, and this will be July 31, और फिर हो जाएगा 4162 total and 4162 for the credit side as well, and this will become your brought down as well 4032, and this will be August 1. ओके, सो फॉर सेल्स, टोटल सेल्स पूरे महीने की हुई है 4532, तो आप यहाँ पे कैरी डाउन लिखेंगे 4532. दिस विल बी July 31, और फिर ये बैलेंस हो जाएगा 4532 पे, एंड देन यू विल हैव अ ब्रॉट डाउन. सो स्पेस कंस्ट्रेंट, यू गाइज कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट 4532 आया है सेल्स टोटल, एंड दिस विल बी August 1. एंड देन यू हैव H राइज. तो H राइज जो है ट्रेड रिसीवेबल है. ट्रेड रिसीवेबल assets are normally assets are heavy on the debit side. So what you do is 1374 minus 65 gives me carried down of 1309, और ये बैलेंस हो जाएगा 1374 पे, एंड देन हमारा ब्रॉड डाउन आ जाएगा 1309 अगेन, एंड दिस विल बी August 1. For P Taylor again we'll repeat this. Carried down will be 341. You need to just total this at 341, and then again brought down for P Taylor will be 341, and this will be on August 1. Okay, sales returns total हमारी 99 हुई हैं. Carried down 99 आ जाएगा, ये total 99 हो जाएगा, और इसको हम बैलेंस कर लेंगे at 99, and then brought down will become again 99, and this will be August 1. Carried down will be on July 31. G paid के अकाउंट में again what we will do is carried down will be 501. So 535 minus 34, this will be July 31. Again इसकी 535 हो जाएगा total, 535 हो जाएगा total, and then this carried down will become brought down again. So this will be 501 again. तो यहाँ पे आप लिख देंगे August 1. ओके, RSM के अकाउंट में एक ही साइड हैवी है, तो फिर आप लिख देंगे 0, दूसरी साइड पे क्रेडिट साइड 0 है, तो आप यहाँ पे कैरी डाउन लिख देंगे 262. दिस विल बी July 31, एंड देन यू विल बैलेंस दिस अकाउंट 262 ऑन बोथ साइड्स, एंड देन दिस कैरी डाउन विल बिकम ब्रॉट डाउन अगेन 262, एंड दिस विल बी August 1. For purchases returns, you make a carried down here, so this will be 224, and this will be July 31, and 224 पे बैलेंस हो जाएगा ये, and then what you do is ये brought down बन जाएगा 224 and this will be August 1. For van again carried down will be 4370 क्योंकि हमने 4370 की van खरीदी है and brought down will be 4370. For Aberdeen cars there is no balance because Aberdeen car से जितना हमने क्रेडिट पे ख़रीदा था उतना हमने उसको रिटर्न भी कर दिया, तो यहाँ पे आप इसको बस 4370 पे बैलेंस कर देंगे and you don't need to calculate a balance carried down or brought down here. So just balance this. Office furniture will be a carried down will be 1985 का ऑफिस फर्नीचर है हमारे पास टोटल. इस अकाउंट का टोटल हो जाएगा 2165 and then brought down will be 1985 again on the debit side 1985 and then you have J Winter Limited. तो again J Winter Limited का carried down यहाँ आएगा 1620. So 1800 minus 180 that will be 1620 July 31 and you'll balance this as 1800 on both sides. और balance जिस लाइन पे कर रहे होते हैं उसी लाइन पे दोनों साइड पे किया करें. That's the right thing to do. Then carried down को brought down बनाएंगे 1620 लिख देंगे and that's it. So that's about balance carried down and brought down.